Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to prevent someone from unhiding the columns in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So in this data, D and E column is hide. Normally people easily unhide this column, simply select before and after column. So C is a before column and F is after hided column. Okay. So right click on the mouse on the column name and click on the unhide. So you can easily unhide it. To prevent someone, you can use here the different trick. So I use here the Control Z, undo the action. Okay. Now I go to the review tab and in protect group, click on the protect sheet and enter here the password. So I simply enter 123. Click on OK. Again, re-enter the same password. Click on OK and that's it. Now select the C and F before and after column and right click on the column name and see here unhide option is invisible. It means no one is unhiding the column easily without password. Okay. So this is the way you can prevent someone from unhiding the columns in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.